Firstly, right-click on the background, then choose Format Background. Go to Color and make it any color you like. Then head to Insert and select Text Box. Once you've inserted your text box, type your text. Then duplicate the slide, delete the text, go to Insert once again, this time choose Shapes and make it rectangle. Now, when you're inserting the rectangle, you need to hold the Shift key in order to make it a square. Then remove the outline. I'll insert my picture here for now, but if you already have a picture or it's not downloaded and you need to copy it, just click on Copy, then click on the shape you've created, go to Picture or Texture Fill and select Clipboard. Now, this effect here is not as suitable as we want it to be, so for this reason we need to tick this box right here. Then in order to center our picture, we need to play with these settings right here. Let's make everything 0 for now, so as you can clearly see the picture is too big, so that's why I'll make it 80% bigger. This looks about right. I want to move the picture a little bit, so that's why I'll adjust the offset X and offset Y settings by making them around 20. So if it's moving to the right and you want to move it to the left, like in this case, I'll just type a minus before it. Then a little bit upward. As you can see, once again I typed 10 and it went down, so I'll just place a minus before it. This looks great. Now let's insert another text box. Now go to Insert once again, go to Shapes and choose Oval. What we have to do is hold the Shift key, so it's a circle, and make it about this big. We need to place it over our picture for reference. We right click on the shape and choose Format Shape. Then we go to this section here, choose Glow and make it as big as possible. In my case it's 150 points. Then let's make it less transparent so it's more visible. And let's change the color. Then right click on the shape and choose Send to Back. Now we duplicate the slide, remove the text, select the circle and the picture at the same time, then move them here, rotate this shape a little bit. Now we insert the other picture we have by clicking on the square, go to this section here and choose Clipboard. We don't want the image to be rotated with the shape, so that's why we just uncheck this box right here. As we did before, we just need to play with the settings, maybe make it 10% offset left, that looks about right. We need to check this box as well. Then make it the scale 90% for instance, on both Y and X. And this looks right. Now let's place our text. Then we go to Transitions and apply Morph. If the transition is slow for you, you just head to Duration and make it, for example, 1 second. This is a lot faster and a lot better. Now we repeat the same process for all of our pictures. Once we're done with the process, we duplicate our last slide, zoom out a little bit by holding Ctrl and scrolling down. We remove this text because it's not needed anymore. Then we resize the picture. We can also rotate it so it's easier for us to work with it. And then we insert our last picture. We select this square, go to the View section and choose Clipboard. Then we check the first box. As you can see, it's multiplicated, so in order to get rid of this, we might just make it 100% big. That looks about right. Then we just fix offset X and Y in order to get our picture centered in the middle. And our final presentation should look something like this.